Okay, here I am at the main page on Populi for the library online tutorial, and I'd like to show you how to begin working through it. And if you scroll down here, you see that there are four main parts to the tutorial: finding a book, along with a video, database article, and then creating a bibliography. So I'll cover these other types of activities in other tutorials. Right now, this tutorial will be about finding a book. This part here. So if you scroll down, you can see these are some instructions and screenshots that may also be helpful for you to look at as you try to work through this. And all you have to do for these parts, just go ahead and click true to that you've seen and looked over each one of the screenshots. Okay, this is the part here when you start seeing these terms activities. So there will be, this is activity 1, and there will be a total of 10 activities. So here you've got 3 activities to do in this part of the tutorial about finding a book. Okay, so what I'm going to do is switch over here to the page that you can see for doing a tutorial at kircha.com. That's all you have to type to get to this page. And so I'm going to talk about this tutorial here. You can get to the link how to find a book on this part of the page or here. Either way, it takes you to the same place. Alright, so here I am, how to find a book, and this link will be what you can click on to see what I'm doing now. You'll be able to watch the tutorial. And here I've listed what are the 4 main steps to completing this part. And so I'd like to go through those quickly. First thing you see is step 1, go to the HC Library catalog. And so here you have the link that will shoot you directly to the catalog website. And if I click there, so now I'm ready. And if you can, you can back arrow and go back to the page if you need to remind yourself of the steps, or if you can make a note, and then once you get to the catalog you can stay there. Okay, well, step 2 is to select the type of search, and so you can select the type of search at this drop down menu here. And the catalog search is same thing as a keyword search on Google. You're just searching all these different records anywhere and everywhere in the record for the search terms that you put in the search box. Okay, but if you notice for first part of the tutorial, it says to do an author search for Benjamin Franklin. Okay, so all I have to do is in the catalog, drop down the menu, and I can select author. And then just simply type Benjamin Franklin in the search box. Okay, so here you get the results that we have 7 items in our catalog here inside the Hiawassee College Library that would have a record showing Benjamin Franklin as the author. So what is it you're trying to do here once you have a list of items? Well, the tutorial says to pick one and then to show the call number. Okay, so what is the call number? Well, here you have the different records, and the call number is indicated here, this part. A little better way and easier way to see it is if you see the title that you're interested in, you can click on it and bring up full record, scroll down a little bit, and here you have the call number listed. So really all you'd have to do is just, to complete the tutorial, is just copy this call number, switch back over to the tutorial, and paste it in. And so you've completed activity 1. Activity 2 talks about doing a subject search for Benjamin Franklin. Okay, so all I have to do is go back to the catalog, select the type of search. Now I'm going to make it a subject search. Now, for the same name, Benjamin Franklin. And here I have 17 results. Okay, so think about that. That makes a difference whether you're doing a catalog search or an author search or a title search or a subject search. It makes a difference in what you find. You go through the same process here of selecting the title. Notice here that this is why this item came up, because it's listed in the subject heading part of the record. And so you can click on this link here and it'll take you to every book in our system that has Benjamin Franklin listed as a subject heading. And this should work at other libraries as well. The subject headings are the same in any library, at least in this country, the United States. And so you can search for something and find the books and other items by subject. Here's the call number for this book. So I can just copy back over to the tutorial, paste it in, and I've finished activity 2. Activity 3 asks you to think a little bit about what is the difference in results between an author search and subject search. So all you have to do here is think about that difference, why you find one thing, one list for an author search, and then you find another list of items for a subject search. So just think about what makes that difference, and then you can type in a statement or two explaining it. Okay, I think that finishes finding a book part of the tutorial. So now you can go and look at the other parts of the tutorial and watch and view the tutorials for those. Thank you.